Summer was the third hottest on record for Denver. In September, not any cooler so far. These first 10 days will likely be the hottest start to the month ever recorded in Denver, which leads us to tonight's next question.
Ken Dubrowny says the temp at DIA tends to be hotter than at his house in the city and doesn't think DIA gets as much rain. So Ken wants to know about our weather records and whether it's something more than climate change affecting the data. Ken asked if the new records for heat might have something to do with where the weather station is located. And he wanted to know if the Weather Service still keeps data from the old Stapleton Airport site.
Ken, some good questions there. We've talked about this before as it relates to rain records and snow stats, not so much with heat records. Took your question to our meteorologist, Chris Bianchi.
Okay, so here's a question that we get literally all the time. Is the reason why we're seeing these warm summer temperatures, is it because of the fact that the official observation site is at DIA as opposed to the old Stapleton Airport, current Central Park? Well, I'll give you a quick summarization here. DIA is a little bit warmer than Central Park, but it's also significantly cooler than downtown Denver. Here's a look at those temperatures in summer of 2022 from this past summer. DIA about 1.3 degrees warmer than Central Park, but about 1.5 degrees cooler than downtown Denver. So way to think of it is DIA kind of splits the difference between Central Park, which is a bit more green, and downtown Denver, which is of course a concrete jungle. Now, here's another way to think of it. DIA since 2000 in terms of average summer temperatures is about 0.8 of a degree warmer than Central Park / again, the old Stapleton Airport observation site. So there is a difference. DIA is a tick warmer than Central Park, but it's not the reason why we're seeing these exceptionally hot temperatures. The real reason, the world is getting warmer.